Hi guys, so in a previous video I showed you how you can use an indicator CMMA trade bars to create a simple analysis of your chart on a trading view. So in this video we are just going to look at how we can further improve that into a simple trading system that you can use to analyze your charts using this platform called TradingView. And you can basically have some nice good signals that you can make money. So if you're excited about that, go ahead and like the video. Subscribe if you are not yet subscribed so that you don't miss any future videos. If you are looking to download other systems, indicators, books, robots that people are selling out there are links in the description box below. Visit those links and you'll find what you are looking for. Everything that we do on this channel is for free. So those things that people are selling, you get them for free. If you are like many people also asking about the broker that I use, see their link in the description box below. With just $5, you can open a real life trading account, which you can use to test these systems that we're going to be creating on TradingView, as well as any robot strategies and things like that, without risking your whole amount. So you can start trading with just $5, and if the strategy is working, then obviously you can add more to it. So let's get on with the video. So first of all, we are going to put back our indicator. It's CMEMA trend bars. This the first one by Chris Moody, the first one, and we're just going to click on there, and you can see it's now back on our chart. Now what might happen is you might have an ugly border around these candles, and the indicator might not be so clear as mine. So you just need to right click on your chart, and you go to settings, and you just untick borders. Let's see what happens when we put the borders back. See what happens when the borders are there. So you just go and you go to settings and you remove the borders so that it looks nicer. Now it looks like mine. Then the second indicator that we are going to use is, let's just go in there. Let's look for chandelier. Chandelier exit. This one. That's what we want by Everget. We are using free indicators here, so we're just going to click on that. And what it does, this indicator, I've seen it gives pretty good signals as well. So what we're trying to do here is we're trying to create confluence with our system. We want as many indicators telling us to buy or to sell. That's why we are going to weed out the bad trades and take only the best trades. So we are going to again edit this chandelier indicator. So we're going to go to here, the button here, right click, and we are going to go to settings. Now we are going to remove that, and we are going to remove that dot, and we just want to leave the labels. We just want to leave the buy and sell labels, and we are going to also get rid of that, and we're going to scroll down, and we're going to get rid of that and get rid of that, and voila, that's how we have our nice system. You can see where it's going. So we want our chandelier and our trend bars to agree. We want the two to agree, as well as when obviously you are trading, you just be aware of what's happening on the higher time frame. So this is 4 hourly. If we drop down to the 1 hour, for example, let's just see what's happening. So if we're aware on the 4 hourly that we are selling, obviously we're just looking to find sales. let's go to the daily. Daily, one of my favorite time frames. So if the daily is selling, the daily is selling. You can see there we're just selling on the daily. Daily is selling. Then obviously everything else that you need to do on the lower time frames is just have a bias on sales, and this chandelier is just going to just add on to what confirmation, confluence. Many indicators saying let's sell, let's sell. Then the last indicator that we'll probably are going to use is the RSI. RSI is also good at filtering bad trade. So we are just going to use a relative strength indicator, relative strength index indicator, and we're going to click on that, and we're going to just get rid of this annoying thing. So we are going to go into RSI as well, and we are going to just remove that. We just want to keep this RSI based moving average. That's what we want to keep. Maybe we can change the color purple. Sure. Of course, we're going to keep it the line, or maybe a line with breaks. Let's just keep the line there, and the levels. Maybe you want to make it the standard on MetaTrader 4, 5. That's around about that. And maybe you might want to remove the background fill and stuff like that. And that's now basically up to you. That's now basically up to you. Otherwise, we are just using the default. We're just using the default RSI. So now, obviously, we are going to what to rely on the RSI as well as our chandelier and our what and our trend bars. So the moment we see, where's my pointer? Where's my pointer? The moment we see that we have a sell signal, obviously we want the RSI to be below our 50 level. Our RSI needs to be below the 50 level to confirm what's happening here. Then we take our sell. The moment we see a buy, our RSI needs to be above the 50 level, and you go on and you go and you go like that. We see a sell trade happening there. Our RSI is below the 50. We take that sell. The moment we see our RSI now in overbought territory, and our candles are now just like they are not going anywhere. They are just converging in one place. That's a signal to exit. That's a signal to exit. Or you can wait for the buy ticket to appear so that you exit that sell. But otherwise, the moment you see price starting to do this, that's your signal to what? To close that sell. I'm just talking about sales because that was the overall trend on Euro USD. And so if you took a sell and you came here and you saw that the RSI started pulling back a bit, and the price has not been going anywhere, it's just been dancing around this area, that's a signal for you that it's probably time we close that sell. And you'd have probably made a lot of money in this. So the first rule is obviously always go with the flow. Go with the flow before you start looking at the system. Go with the flow. Where is the overall trend on the daily? Where is the overall trend on the daily? Where is the overall trend on the daily? Let's just zoom out a bit. Where is the overall trend on the daily? Just follow the overall trend on the daily. Then then you can start what to look at the system just to confirm for the nice entries and the exit. We are going to go to 1 hour. That's what we have on 1 hour. Let's just move our chart like that. So you could have taken a buy here. You could have taken a good buy here. You see, there's a buy there on Euro USD. You could have taken a buy there. Nice one. And there is a sell indicator, sell indicated there. But we are not going to just jump in and take that sell because we want our system to be red and we want our RSI to be below the 50 level before we can even consider that sell. So I hope this definitely is of some help to you. If you have any questions, if you have an idea of how we can further enhance this, then leave your comments in the comment section below. Otherwise, guys, I'll see you in the next videos.